Hello Mrs. Corain, this is your wardrobe. We've got the top section, this is the top, that's the shelf with the rail fitted. The back piece, there's the base. We've got 4 of these wooden clamps, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the tool we use to put everything together. You've got 2 side pieces, and those are the 2 doors. So that's everything. So I'm going to show you how it assembles. We start off with the base, put the base about where it's going. It can be moved slightly afterwards. So we've got the base roughly in position. You get 1 side piece. Now this, it will be obvious which way this goes up because the pin where the doors go onto it. So the pins point upwards so the doors slip on. So that has to go on the right hand side. Then you get one of the wedges. You see that's slightly tapered. I don't know if you can see that. That's slightly tapered there. And these pieces down here inside, these are slightly tapered, so that comes bigger there. So that will go onto there. Just a nice tap. You don't hit it too hard, it just squeezes up. And then that's positioned in place nicely. The back section just slides in. So that slots into place, that's the back section. Then we have the other side piece, which again just slots in nicely there. The other wedge, sliding that across, and again. Be a bit dark, I don't know if you can see. It's there. So that is now in position. Then we get a door which slots onto, that's nicely on there. And when you're doing this, putting the door on, just leave it so it comes out at 90 degrees. Don't leave it too open. It's not a big issue. It's just if you leave it open, it just tends to want to pull the sides to the side. So just leave it like that. That's fine. Obviously, I'd definitely suggest you have 2 of you doing this, especially when you're putting the top on, but it's always best to have 2, even 3. You can have somebody else supporting the doors. So that just comes out to there. Right, so we've got the doors on the sides, on the back. Next, put the shelf in. There we go, so that fits in place nicely. And then we need to put the top on. My assistant. Right, okay. We can just bring that door back to 90 degrees. Okay?
Yeah.
That's it. Zeroed in. Excellent. So that's slotted in place. Sometimes you need to give this a bit of a wiggle at the front. You can see this slots into the things go into the slots there. So that's the thing to line up at the front there, at the corners. But that's gone into place nicely. Then I'll get Another one of these, and you can see the taper on there again. And I know it's dark inside, but you might be able to see that. Just tap it along there. That's fine. It's just pinched up nicely. And the other one, I think it's even darker in there, but
can't see that.
no,
But it's
okay.
the same as below.
It's the same as below. Just pinch that up nicely.
Same as down there.
And then that should be okay. And there's your wardrobe. So any problems, I'm happy to talk to you over the phone about anything if you go wrong.